Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping efficiently. Cleanse and dry your face so the treatment bonds to skin. Next, measure ingredients precisely: 1 tablespoon wine, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, and 1/2 teaspoon honey, and mix until smooth. This balances acidity and probiotics. Once combined, apply a small dab to the patch test area for 10 minutes to confirm tolerance. If comfortable, spread a thin layer over face, avoiding eyes and lips, and set a timer for the next step. You now perform the active work. Massage the wine mask in gentle circles for 60 to 90 seconds to boost circulation and allow enzymes to penetrate. Once massaged, leave the mask on for 8 to 12 minutes. That time frame lets acids exfoliate while probiotics soothe. Stop earlier if you feel burning. After the time, steam a towel over hot water, press it to your face to soften the mask, and then gently wipe away rather than scrubbing, conserving the leftover liquid for toning. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water, then give a cool splash to help close pores and settle skin. Pat dry and apply a hydrating serum, followed by moisturizer. If it's daytime, make sure to use SPF 30 or higher because acids increase sun sensitivity. If you notice redness or stinging after application, rinse immediately with cool water and apply a cool compress. If irritation persists, discontinue use and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.